If you're experiencing controller drift while playing The Sims 4, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to address the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your console or PC. Look for controller settings and ensure that the dead zone settings are appropriately adjusted. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause issues with the analog sticks. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the base of the sticks. Make sure to allow it to dry completely before using the controller again. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure that your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or your console settings for any available updates. Updating can resolve bugs that may contribute to drift. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Some consoles and PCs allow you to recalibrate your controller. Access the calibration settings and follow the prompts to recalibrate the analog sticks. This can help reset any misalignment causing drift. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is specific to The Sims 4 or your controller, try playing another game. If the drift persists across multiple games, the problem may be with the controller itself rather than the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming.